Hello, class. This is Nancy Wyatt. I'm here to critique the memorable speeches of Tequila Johnson and Tatiana Urizo. I hope I'm not mispronouncing your name. And I'm also here to critique my own video. First, I would like to critique Tequila Johnson's video. Tequila, I really enjoyed your memorable speech. It was very entertaining. You told a story. You incorporated humor. I loved how you um, told a story with your hands. Some people say that it's not good to talk with your hands, but actually, when I was looking at your speech and you were describing things at the theme park, with your hands, and the incident that happened on the water ride with you and your daughter, and you was explaining with your hands and all the visuals. It's like I could actually visualize what you were saying by how you was explaining things. Like I could visualize what the ride looked like and the incident that happened on the water ride and everything. Overall, I thought your speech was very good, very entertaining. Um, I myself didn't really see anything really wrong with your speech. Maybe I'm overlooking something, but for me, I did not see anything wrong with your speech. Um, now I would like to, I'm sorry. Now I would like to critique Tatiana's um, speech. Tatiana, your speech was very enjoyable. The one about how you were afraid of clowns and the reason why you were afraid of clowns. Your speech was good as well. It wasn't really long enough. I wish that you could have told a little bit more um, storyline to go along with the reason for being afraid of clowns, other than just because you saw the movie It. Your voice is kind of mono. That means it stays the same the whole entire speech. But other than that, your speech was good. But I wish that I could have heard a little bit more of the story as far as your reason for being afraid of clowns. Now I will critique my own video. When I watched myself before I knew I was going to have to critique myself, um, I looked at myself on the video and I look a little stiff, as I probably look on this video right here, but I'm at work. Um, I'm a little stiff. I noticed that I need to loosen up a little bit more to be able to tell a story. I need to quit using my crutch word that I'm using now, which is the word Other than that, I did it again. Other than that, I thought my speech was very enjoyable. I really couldn't hear myself, so I don't think that I was speaking loud enough on my speech. So I know that if I could not hear myself and I'm listening to myself, that means that my audience could not hear me as well. I didn't feel as though my speech was monotone. I felt as though I told a story, but I still have a lot of work to do when it comes to public speaking. First thing is to get over fear, speaking in front of people. And that's all that I have to say on the critiques that I did for myself, Tequila, and Tatiana. And I hope that I'm pronouncing you all's names right. Thanks, class.